What's up, guys? It's Guy Danny. I'm gonna open the Thor 3D. I got it on sale for $24.99 at Amazon. If I could open it, that'd be good. Okay. I'm gonna take that out. See, it's the insert with the digital code, and that's the Blu-ray special features, DVD, and then the 3D. Alright, peace out, guys.